Hi guys, today I'll show you 2 easy ways to fix the File Explorer not responding issue on Windows 11, a full step-by-step guide. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and comment a heart. First, go to the search bar at the bottom left and type Task Manager. Open Task Manager. Now look for Windows Explorer in the list. Right-click on it, then click Restart. Restarting Windows File Explorer from Task Manager can often fix the File Explorer not responding issue. It refreshes the process, clears temporary glitches, and reloads the interface without needing a full system restart. After that, check if File Explorer is working properly. If the issue still isn't fixed, move on to the next step. Again, go to the bottom left search bar and type File Explorer Options. Open File Explorer Options in the General tab, and you'll see an option to clear File Explorer history. Clearing File Explorer history can help fix the issue in some cases. It removes corrupted or overloaded recent history data that might be causing File Explorer to lag or crash. Click Clear, then click Restore Defaults, and press OK. If this solved your problem, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.